Hello and welcome back once again to the CryptoCareer channel. In today's exciting video, we will go over 3 different projects, starting with Waves, moving on to the latest news also regarding world of Dypians, and we will be finishing with Cherrybot AI. 3 different projects, all trending, all with exciting news around it. So let's get started and see how you can actually involve yourself with Waves. They are announcing a move to Zealy, and this is all you need to know about their transition to the platform and actually how you can earn with it. So this is pointed out for anyone within the Waves army, but not only that, if you are a KOL or a local manager, there's going to be information that you need to know in this Medium article. So let's get started since the beginning, sharing the most important things on it. So this is the highline we're going to go over. There are already over 1,600 people joining in between the Zealy platform and the ambassador program, who together managed to collectively complete more than 25,000 tasks. And this is how the ranks can grow even further for everyone in the Waves army or interested in joining in. This movement is all about spreading awareness about the Waves protocol and completing DAO tasks. Through social engagement and active participation, the community is kept strong and thriving. The Waves army is open to everyone, so if you want to join in, pay close attention. It's all about completing tasks while having fun and at the same time compete for some potential rewards. If that is something that interests you, just follow these simple steps. First, join their ambassadors DAO on Zealy, which looks like this. You need to connect to Zealy. On the upper right corner on the screen, you'll see a button for that. Then it's only a matter of getting started and complete all of these tasks shown here. As you complete, some others will unlock, and this is how you can be a part of the Waves army and compete for rewards. After joining in their ambassador DAO on Zealy, you can just simply fill out the form. This form is where you can set up your own application to determine what you want to be: a Waves army member, community manager, or maybe KOL/influencer. Tell them a little bit about why do you think you are the best candidate, link in your Twitter account handle, your ID on Telegram, wallet address on Waves, and then just submit your application. From there on, just stay tuned for new quests. Once they are up, make sure to complete them, and that will put you in the race to earn rewards every month. In order to earn rewards, you need to complete quests from sprints aligned with rounds, which last approximately 1 month. A new sprint is started every month as well. Within these sprints, there are a variety of tasks aimed at revealing your creative individuality and demonstrating your knowledge about our project. So this is the Power DAO. This is where you can keep track on the previous rounds and which ones are currently open. There will be 2 options to get rewarded. If you compete and are qualified within the top 20 leaders from the sprints leaderboard, everyone in the top 20 gets 3 power tokens shared between them. All you need to do is to be active and complete tasks successfully to earn XP points and be one of the top leaders. Then to get extra rewards, Waves army must meet 2 mandatory conditions: staking PWR tokens and complete 75% of tasks from the sprint's quest board. At the end of each sprint or round, every ambassador from the sprint's leaderboard will receive 10% from their staked PWR tokens. And if you have any questions regarding all of this, you can definitely join in the Ambassador DAO Telegram group and ask away all your questions. In the case that you are a KOL, if you want to contribute more to the community and get additional rewards, you can apply to become one. KOLs or influencers play a significant role in shaping DAO decisions. They have the exclusive ability to grow their own network within the Ambassador DAO, helping to expand the community's influence and engagement. These are the conditions to become a KOL for Waves: having more than 5,000 followers on Twitter, or X as it is nowadays called, as well as actively spread the Waves news if you meet the requirements. Find the 4 KOLs section on Zealy, submit your application there, and wait for the response of the team. So going to Waves Zealy dashboard, you'll see that there is this tab for KOLs, specifically if you are willing to join that. In case that you are interested in becoming a local manager, You will then be tasked with the translation of Waves-related materials and hosting contests for your local community. Local managers play a crucial role by staking PWR tokens, which enables them to lead and organize the Waves army in their respective regions. So how to become one? How to become a local manager for Waves? These are the requirements. Speak any foreign language other than English, have the ability to translate the Waves news fast, and be active in a local community group. If you meet these criteria, you are a fitting candidate. Check out for the locals section on Zealy. So once again, in the Zealy dashboard, there's going to be this tab for locals. This is where you need to go and send your application. Then it's just a matter of waiting for the manager to get in touch with you and instruct you on further details. And essentially that's that. If you are willing to join in the Waves community, either as a local manager, KOL, or just a part of the Waves army, these are all the things you need to know. Also the potential rewards that you can get. Now moving on to World of Dypians. This bullish post on X shows that the WAT token is the #1 token on Binance Alpha with $1.3 billion in trading volume in the past 24 hours. Strong momentum, huge community support. WAD is the native token of the World of Dypians Gamify project, a revolutionary, massive multiplayer online role-playing game available on Epic Games. World of Dypians blends Web 2, Web 3, AI, DeFi, and NFTs in a whole virtual ecosystem. And this X post just highlights how WAD's token is having an impressive performance, ranking first on Binance Alpha with a staggering $1.36 billion in 24-hour trading volume, showcasing strong momentum and community support. Although the price is currently experiencing some anticipated correction, after all, we just hit all-time high, the over $2.46 billion in 24-hour volume, alongside with over 7 million total transactions in the last 24 hours, shows a lot of interest and anticipates a bright future for WAD. Currently, on-chain holders are over 155,000 and on-chain liquidity is also at around $2.28 million. All of this is driven by the World of Dypians game, which if you never heard about, it grants you an adventure that never slows down. You can fight a dragon on Monday, conquer the maze on Friday, and everything in between. Every day a new challenge. No 2 days alike in World of Dypians. So even if you are a gamer, there's definitely a ton of things to do and try out World of Dypians, which is a very popular game right now on the Binance ecosystem. Now let's move our attention to Cherry AI Robotics, the data layer for robotics. Let's take a look at two of their latest posts. First, announcing that the AI bot point store is live. AI bot token stakers will be able to use their AI bot points to buy loot boxes that contain valuable rewards. As of right now, only the standard loot boxes are available. Rare and legendary loot boxes will be released alongside the launch of staking tiers. Staking tiers will be then launched next week, so you can expect this to be live in the following days. And also another expected announcement, very anticipated I believe, third AI bot token buyback and burn has just taken place. 3 million more AI bot tokens have been bought back from the market and permanently removed from circulation. That brings the total burn so far to 8 million AI bot tokens in just the first month since TGE. More burns also coming soon. As always, everything is recorded on chain and you can check this same address where the burn transaction has been recorded. As always, most of the ecosystem fees are directed toward buybacks and burns. That's how they are financing this, if you are wondering. Once the robotics data parsing tool launches, new cash flows will soon add even more fuel to these burns. And these latest posts on Cherry AI Robotics bring our video to an end. We just went over the biggest news about all of these trending projects in the crypto space. That will wrap up today's video. Let me know your thoughts about any or all of this in the comment section, and I hope to see you again in the next one here in the CryptoCareer channel.